Good morning. I am Atmika Arunithan, class 2A. The name of the story I am going to tell here, The Tailor and the Elephant. Once there was an elephant in a village. The elephant used to go to the river every day to take a bath. There was a tailor's shop on the way to the river. The tailor used to offer the bananas to the elephant every day. They become friends. One day, the tailor was in angry mood. The elephant came as usual for bananas. Instead of giving bananas, he pricked a needle into his trunk. The elephant said nothing and silently walked away. Next day, he went to the river again and filled his trunk with muddy water. On his way back, he stopped at the tailor's shop and threw the muddy water all over him and his shop. All the clothes were spoiled. The tailor had to hear heavy loss. He realized his mistakes and repented for his deed. Moral of the story is, do not expect any good in return of bad. Thank you.